So let me show you how to charge your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. Now obviously the OnePlus Nord CE6 5G comes with a cable inside the box, and this is the traditional red cable that is type A to type C, and it's pretty long and you can use it to charge your phone if you have a charging brick either from OnePlus or another company. Now I have a charging brick from OnePlus, as you can see, and this phone does not come with a charging brick inside the box, but if you can get one, and I'll link this one down below so that you can be able to get one, or you can simply use another charging brick like this one from Anker, which has a type C slot and is also 3-pronged, and you can connect this. This is a 65-watt Nano 2 charging brick from Anker. I'll link this one as well down below. So if you have a red cable, you can simply connect one end, this one, into the charging brick just like that, and then connect this to power. Then connect the other end into your phone, the type C end, and as you can see, it should start charging, and it will utilize the VOOC charging technology to start fast charging your device. Now the same applies to the charging brick from Anker. That particular one will utilize, you don't have to use this cable from OnePlus. You can also utilize a type C to type C cable from any company like this one. And this one you can simply connect it into your charging brick just like that. So connect this one end to that, connect it to power, and because the Anker is a 65 fast charger, 65-watt charger, it's also going to charge your phone just like that. So as you can see, it's going to utilize the Super VOOC charging technology to fast charge your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. Now you don't necessarily have to use a charging brick. You can connect either of these cables to power via the USB ports on your computer, your Mac, or even another phone to be able to charge your phones. You can also use a power bank to charge these particular devices. And like I said, I'll link these charging bricks and these cables down below so that you can be able to check them out. But that's basically how to charge your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If this was useful, leave a comment down below or any questions that you might have, and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.